Hey everybody, my name is Clint Heffern. I currently am living in Pittsburgh, Kansas. I teach here at the Catholic school, St. Mary's Colgan. We are a member of the Catholic Diocese of Wichita, even though we are in the southeast corner of Kansas. But yeah, I'm teaching at Colgan, teaching social studies, coaching football, basketball, and helping with the strength and conditioning program in the summer. Also new this year, I am the junior high athletic director. So it's been a good insight figuring all that stuff out and giving me a new perspective on administration. Originally, I'm from Iowa, Kansas. I've got an older brother and a younger brother. My older brother lives in Dallas, Texas now. They've got one little 2-year-old baby, and they're expecting another one in May. So it's been pretty cool to become an uncle and figure out or just experience that stuff. Um, Long-term and short-term professional goals. Short-term, I'm obviously working on my master's. I'd like to get my master's in administration so that I could also, in the long term, eventually move up into administration. And I would like to become an assistant principal or a principal, and then maybe even a superintendent one day. But those are long-term goals. Short-term goals are I would like to complete my master's within the next year and a half. I think I'm on pace to do that. And then also another short-term goal I have is I really like sports and coaching, and I would like to be a head basketball coach in the near future. So I'm trying to gain a lot of insight there and learn all that I can now, and get some good experience. And hopefully, in the short term, I can obtain that goal. So that's my short-term goals. I'm really excited for this class. Uh, Really excited for this class. Just to again, it's been a little bit, about a month since my last online class, so getting back in the flow of just meeting with a group of people who are on the same kind of uh, path with the same goals and the same interests and the same careers typically. So I'm excited to get back into a group where we collaborate a lot, we talk a lot, we discuss, we see different insights and different perspectives and different points of view, just to question how I'm doing stuff, to learn a lot that I can apply not only when I hopefully do become an administrator one day, but that I can apply to my classroom now, um, and just become a better person from uh, being in the presence of everybody in this class. Also, especially with the new kind of craze with the coronavirus, I'm excited to be, again, like I said, collaborating with people that are experiencing the same things. So, a lot that I'm really looking forward to with this class. Thank you guys, and I'm looking forward to this semester.